Really lovely little wallet here from BOSTANTEN. I love that it's got this contrast. I saw that it came in a lot of different colors. I love the brown and the black leather because then it just goes with everything. But it does come in a lot of different colors. One thing I like about it is it has 2 different levels here for snapping. So if this does get really full, then you're still going to be able to snap it. So it has a coin purse right here. One thing that bugs me about wallets is when they don't have a large enough coin purse. This one is actually quite large, has a nice quality zipper. All of the stitching on this is really good, even on this little strap here. And there's tons, literally just like tons of space on the inside here for all of your cards. I mean, look at this. This is going to work for someone who carries every single card that they have. You can even put a checkbook in here if you're somebody that still carries your checkbook. If you're not somebody who's going to put a ton of cards, it's also just not like too bulky. It's very lightweight, which is another thing I like about it. I don't like to carry around too many cards. So for me, this is perfect because it's lightweight. It's going to fit in my purse. It's going to go with everything because of these contrasting colors, and it's got a nice little coin purse. So this is like the perfect wallet. Again, comes in tons of cute colors. I love the little contrast stripe here. It's just like high quality and very inexpensive. I would say this is a really good find. I like the gold zipper. The zipper feels high quality as well. But yeah, super cute and just really versatile. Anyway, if you're in the market, this is definitely one for you to check out.